This is the final question for our top 2. Okay, the question is, Miss France. Miss France will be using an interpreter since she cannot speak fluently in English. So the question goes this way, for the final question for the Miss Universe 2026. If you will be given a chance to change some physical part of your body, what would it be and why? Again, if you will be given a chance to change some physical part of your body, what would it be and why? Miss France.
Efrikamastre fomtre, worken strafen so arkomansre, es brivostre, evontre mostre fokomansa fripsa, as worken tri vos rosas princesses, efremonstre from so says.
Oh my god.
If I will giving a chance to change my physical body, if I will change my body, of course my body figure, because I want to change my body figure, because I want to share to each other, because I want to this event I would like to change that.
As bremenstrafos, escrementrives sumanchosasas, as tremostre, eventruazel, adverto all the Mr. of Mitchell's, efremostre fantas.
Amazing! To all people, to all girls in this world, I want to change my physical body, because this is necessary to us, because this is necessary to how can you use this body like this event on this universe.
Continue.
Escremonchas, arcomacamastre, concremontre, vocmontre prestre, drumses, trimonsel, acromontrava for commissariat, crenkrawa. This is, I chose this, change my body, because I want to choose. I would like to acknowledge Kremnet, Trimastika Martas, Trudas, Trimasepa,
Promise.
Krimes, Ekorkimantra, Korkimatkan, Crank.
Thanks a lot of God to give me a beautiful body. Thank you, and thank you a lot more. Thank you. Mabuhay!
Okay.
Kamputra,
Okay.
Puso ko'y